This is Brad Langdon from Lake Norman MarineMax. Today we're going to walk you through a 2013 226 SSI Chaparral we took on trade. We'll start off up front. You can see you got ample bow seating up front. You also have a table support up here so you can mount your table. 2 speakers up front with an anchor locker. You have a walk-through windshield. You have in-floor storage. The dash comes with tilt steering wheel, Garmin GPS depth finder, and analog gauges. You also have a Clarion stereo remote here, connected to your speakers throughout the cockpit. 2 captain's chairs. Moving aft for your seating, you have a table slide also to store a table. U-shaped seating. In this boat, you've got a 5.7 270 horse Volvo engine connected to a Volvo outdrive. You also have a nice bimini top here to connect and an ample sun pad out back. Swim platform is pretty roomy back here. Come see us at Lake Norman MarineMax. Again, my name is Brad Langdon. My phone number is 704-215-3599.